If you are to have a data analysis project and you want to deliver a script, this is always the final deliverable. So the full report function, we want to use start from SciPy also, and we want to use chi-square contingent. So I'll write this here from. You can put all your import statements at the top. I'm just doing this in the order in which we needed it. For from SciPy, we want to import start, and then from SciPy.start, we want to import chi2 contingent, I think. Then now we'll create the function. So the function, now let's name it run report. We'll specify the file path. The file path is going to be a string. We'll put the output let's say the output directory also is a string, and let's say string is equal to this dot like this, and then we want to have the return type will be a direct. So now we want to create the analysis pipeline. So